Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video, how I do my brows. So I want to keep this as short and quick for you guys, so you guys just go ahead and start with all the goodness. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. So to prep my face, I am going to be using the Makeup Obsession Moon Glow. Spray that a few times. And I kind of just like rub that all over my face. And just like rub my eyebrows in the form of their natural shape. I don't want my eyebrows to be moist when I put the product on them. So I always make sure I just like rub off any excessive spray I might have on them. And now that they are prepped, I'm going to go in with my brush and just kind of stroke it up. And that's basically it. I don't do much when it comes to prepping and priming my brows. This is the most important part. You want to make sure when you go in with the gel that you don't put too much on your brush. You want to use a very light hand when you're grabbing some product. I seriously just like dip one side and then just kind of like rub any balls of product that might stick to your brush. You want the product to be very, very smooth on your brush before you apply it to your brows, because you don't want to risk it like getting somewhere you don't want it to be. What I like to do, I always start in the arch of my brow, and then you want to make a very light line following the shape of your brow, just like that. So that's like step one. Start brushing the product back and like very light strokes. And then where you left off, just slowly start bringing it forward. And just, you want to stroke up super softly. And you want to make sure you don't get too far ahead of yourself. So you want to always make sure you leave like at least a ½ inch or an inch of your brow without any product, because that is one of the key points towards the end. Slowly, very softly, keep mixing. I basically already have the bottom of my brow all done. I'm gonna go in and do my other eyebrow the same way that I did my other eyebrow. I'm gonna do the same thing. Start in the arch. And you just really want to complement your natural shape, because it's really obvious when you're not. I'm gonna start where I left off and stroke back very, very lightly. Take the product in the direction you want the product to be on. So just brush up. That is how I do the bottom of my brow. So I still have to kind of fill in the top of them. This is a very, very challenging part. Once again, I'm gonna dip my brush in. I have not dipped it at all. So this is all the product that I had in my brush from the very beginning. And I'm gonna start at the arch. And that's it. I'm not gonna fill it in anymore. I'm just gonna use that product and blend the bottom product and the top product together so that it looks very smooth. And I'm just gonna slightly outline my brows with the product I already have. Other eyebrow. Now that I filled in my brows, I am going to grab the brush and you want it to be directly straight with the angle pointing up on your brows. And now that they're nice and filled in, I am going to clean them up with some concealer. You can use your foundation, but I like using concealer. For this, I always use another Anastasia brush just because of how skinny it is. It's very easy to be very precise with what you want to outline. And I'm just gonna outline my brows. Just relax your face. Now I'm going to do the top of my brows. So you have to be very, very careful. I've gotten product on my brows before, and I mean, you can easily fix them, but I feel like it looks better if you just don't even mess with it at all. And this is what your eyebrow should look like once it's nice and outlined. I'm going to just grab a kabuki brush and blend that in. So I went ahead and concealed my brow. So this is what the difference is between a concealed brow and a non-concealed brow. It basically just cleans it up for you and preps it for whatever eyeshadow, eyeliner, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it to my other eyebrow. Now that I outlined my brows, this is the part where I go in for the very last time, and if I see that I had any concealer go on top of my brows, I'll go back and just shade it in and make it pop a little bit more. So that is how I do my eyebrows. I went ahead and finished my makeup since I was already in the groove and didn't really feel like stopping. But this is what my eyebrows look like after I applied everything else on my face and I'm ready to go. It's super easy, honestly. You just have to really embrace your natural shape, whatever it is that you have. Thin eyebrows, short, long eyebrows. Follow your natural shape. Let your eyebrows grow out, and in no time, your eyebrows will be amazing. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a very spooky October. I'll see you guys soon.